Hey folks, welcome back to my MongoDB series, and in this video we are going to talk about Mongo SH, and also we are going to add some documents into our database. So without further ado, let's start. So first of all, you have two ways to access Mongo SH, or you can say Mongo shell. So this is the first technique where I have provided this folder link in my previous videos. So kindly check out those videos. You just have to press mongo sh.exe and you can access this. Also, you have another way where you have CMD, or you can use PowerShell also, and just type here Mongo sh and you are good to go. So first of all, let's press on create database and provide here a name of our database. So let's say I have bookstore database and books is my collection name. Press on create database and you can see bookstore is here. Now let's look at our terminal. So let's put here show dbs and you can see bookstore is here. You can see here bookstore. Now let's change our pointer to, so let's say it's not show, it's use, and use bookstore. Press enter and you can see switch to db bookstore. Let me clear this first of all, and now let's say show collections and you can see books is my collection. So I have already inserted a fake data. So let's say you can see tb.books.insert1. First is title, your book title, author name, pages, rating, and genres. And you can see this data is successfully inserted. You just have to press enter after writing this one. Now let's go to our GUI app and let's go to our books and you can see our data. Let me zoom it. And you can see your book title, author name, pages, rating, and genres. And genres you can open. Let's see this, and you can see genre 1 and genre 2. Now let's look at another thing. Now let's suppose I have this books here already created this collection. Now let's say I have not created any books collection, and let's say I want to create, let's say db dot, let's say my new collection name is, let's say temp, or let's say temp, yes, temp dot insert one. And now let's provide fake entry, let's say name and provide here temp and roll number is, let's say 21. Let me close this, close, and press enter. And you can see this temp insert one is successfully inserted. So now let's look at our GUI app and let me refresh this, and you can see we have another collection called temp, and temp is contained those data which is temp and roll number 21. So that's how we can use our insert one. So I have already created some fake entries. Let me just paste it here and you can see my all the entries are successfully inserted. Now let's look at our MongoDB and let's say books, and let me refresh this, and you can see here here is my first entry. This is fake book 1, this is fake book 3, and you can see these two are my fake entries. So that's how we can insert data using insert one function in the MongoDB. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.